Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Synovus customer service. First, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down synovus.com and enter it. And once inside the Synovus homepage, in the top right corner there's this contact us icon here. You need to select this section. And from here you can simply access the support resources, you can manage your account and send secure message with account related questions here. So you can also go to the Synovus Motors Customer Care FAQ, which is the frequently asked questions. If you have any related issues over here, you can simply find over here as well. Or you can also go back and over here you can find all of the numbers which is associated with a representative for general customer care. If you have issue about report lost or stolen card, you can simply contact to this number. Here for the credit card support, you can contact to this number. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account or card information ready for the identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.